What's up, team? We're back and we're trying to get to level 74 cooking part 4. So basically, I'm still making wines. I have about 1300 banked. There's going to be a huge EXP drop like in the next while. So that's something to keep your eyes peeled for. I also got a meeting at 11, so I'm going to have to I'm just gonna let the EXP do its thing and let it tick, because I'm gonna have to go in about, I think, 8 minutes or 7 minutes. So like, you guys get to see this fat EXP drop, and like, I hope you guys enjoy like seeing that and seeing what you could do if like you do wines as a cooking training option. Because yeah, what's a better... No one can name me a faster method than wines, unless you're doing wine as Zamorak. So it's like, it's completely within your favor to want to use wines as your method, because like cost wise it's just not worth it. So like, I'm just gonna do what I know until like, unless someone comes up with a way better than this. Cooking's probably one of the fastest 99s, like cooking in range, because range you can do chinchompas, and then cooking you can do wines. So like, you can really stack. Like range you can get up to 300-400k experience per hour. So yeah, range is like the fastest. You can do range in like less than a week if you have like a couple hours a day. Just do like 500k exp per day. I think what's his name, Oda, like did some method where you can get crazy mage XP if you barrage, but like he just had a lot of fans like pile, so it kind of helped him speed up his mage training. He was just like spamming barrage. You could also do that at Monkey Madness too as well. So it's like, it's not the worst thing in the world if you do it there. You get like 100k an hour. It's just a bit costly. So like, ideally you want people with lower health and lower defense, so you can hit the highest amount per cast. That's the thing with chinchompas, like you can just stack a whole thing of gorillas or monkeys, and then like it'll spread the damage like throughout everyone. So that way, like every hit you get like 500 experience per hit. So it's like, it's actually really, really good EXP. Tune. Around 1500, so that should be near, I guess. I remember like near 1,000 wines was like 168k experience, and then so we're near 1500, so that should be around 200k experience per... Why am I saying experience? EXP per item. But like, yeah, I got about 4 minutes left until we peace out, and then I'll do a part 5 for you guys of me getting to that next level. But yeah, once again, it's just like, I'm just curious to see like what this EXP drop's gonna look like. Give it like 2 more minutes. I'm like edging the whole team, like, yo, where's this EXP drop? Where's this EXP drop? It's been like part 4 now, and this guy has not released an EXP drop. I want to see it in part 5. I'll do it here in part 4 actually, just so you guys could see what we're working with. We're almost there. Okay, this is the last one, and then we're gonna call it, and we'll continue in part 5. So I'm gonna keep this here actually. And then we're just gonna let the time wear out. Now watch this EXP drop. Boom, 284K. We're at 67 cooking. Boom. So see you guys in part 5. If you like that, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. Okay, I'll just out. See you in the next part 5.